all the people here, including the pastors, people from different faith, and the LGBT community. Pasensya na po kayo. I am not prepared to actually give you an actual experience that I had, but I am a shofar blower. I was trained in Jerusalem by different rabbis, and they gave me a special gift, a vision. And what happened was, bago po mangyari ito, there were several other incidents that I'm going to share now. Would it be okay, mga kaibigan, if I do it? Okay.
Yes, sir. If you could lang within 3 minutes.
Yes,
but
I
please
will po.
proceed.
I've already given this to your office as well. So, thank you po. So I would like to express my deepest respect for your good office. I am a watchman, an intercessor of the IFP. I am a shofar blower. I'm trained by the Jewish rabbis in Israel, and I would like to provide my vision that I saw last July 7, 2018. For the entire August of 2019, the ministers of the Lord have brought me to these establishments to pray and intercede and blow the shofar for the state of the nation and our current relation with China. During this time po, I was able to blow inside the Chinese embassy, the Bureau of Immigration, the China Aid, the West Philippine Sea, the Philippine Navy, the Philippine Marines, the Philippine Air Force, the Quezon City Memorial Circle, the Malacanang Palace Grounds, and the House of Representatives. So during the later part of August 27 to 29, I went to the Christ Living Stone Fellowship, and there we prayed and interceded. Little do I know that the actual issue that we have is the Soggy Bill. So on my part, I'm blowing for the Chinese relationships and the Filipinos, or actually in a, let's just say, war, as they say. So it was the last time that I went to the House of Representatives, which was last August, February of 2019. I prayed there in the session hall and interceded for the 2019 election and declared that God-fearing representatives would be elected to produce godly laws in the lands. And thank God, we were actually answered.
Sir Yeshua, please, if you could wrap up within
Yes,
a minute.
I will.
Thank you.
In that morning of August 28, the day when Congressman Eddie Villanueva was giving the privileged speech for the Soggy Bill, pinaalala po sa akin ng Lord ang actual visions that I had. And these are the 3 visions. I saw the vision that I was in the halls of the House of Representatives looking for a Congressman Villanueva. During that time, hindi pa po na-elect si Brother Eddie. At hindi ko po alam na tatakbo siya. And I saw, on the second one, I saw that I was in a pool with a group of people, and one of them was Anthony Roquel, who is sitting beside me right now. At 3 days pa lang po kami nagkakasama. And the third one, as I was in the parking lot, and I saw many military men going towards us and heard a blast of siren. And I look up in the sky, and I saw several fighter jets coming towards us in a V formation. And they all started to explode, and I woke up. That was the vision. So 1 and 2 happened. The third one, di pa nagaganap. And when I recalled, the parking lot itself was actually the Congress or the House of Representatives. So bakit ko po sinasabi itong mga to? Sabi ko, Lord, what does it mean? May sinabi po ang Lord sa Leviticus 18:24, do not defile yourself in any way of these, because this is how the nations that I am going to drive away out before you became defiled because of war.
Sir
Even
Yeshua,
the
could you
land
please
was
wrap up?
defiled. So I punished it for its sins. And then on, I gave, during that time po, noong August 29, our beloved President was in China negotiating our mineral rights with the West Philippine Sea, encouraging our Emperor Sea to consider na pagbigyan tayo or it's going to be war.
Sir Yeshua, please, if you could